Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use Kanbanchi for project management. Now first, what is Kanbanchi? Kanbanchi is a project management and collaboration tool designed to work seamlessly with Google Workspace, formerly G Suite. It's essentially a Kanban board system similar to Trello or Jira that helps teams manage tasks, projects, and workflows visually. Now, it's especially useful for teams already embedded in Google ecosystem as it doesn't require separate logins and integrates with Google Calendar, Drive, and Gmail. So, let's go to the dashboard. Here on your first or on your dashboard, you can see this to do, ongoing, and on hold. You can also see here some dates where you can add a new list. So this column is called list. Here is where you put what you're doing or what you need to do. For example, here on June to March, April to June, July to September, October to December, you can input here tasks you need to do for those months. Now, here you have to do, ongoing, and on hold. First thing first, on to do, here you will see the task that you want to do or you're not doing yet. You can add here by clicking on the plus button. Now you can enter here the name of the task you want to do. For example, how to. There you go. Now if you click on this one, you can make it a priority, either critical, high priority, medium priority, normal priority, or low priority. If I input it critical, it will show there. Now if you click this calendar, here you can input your starting date on when you will be doing this task. For example, I will do it tomorrow. I will input that. Now, if it's ongoing or this task is ongoing, I will input it here on the ongoing task. And as you can see, here is the task that I'm doing right now. Other things here, if you click on this one, you can invite other members or other members of this group. Now, if you click on these three dots, you can rename it. You can edit card. You can mark as done if you click on that. And you can archive, delete, and many other things. You can custom preview it. You can uncheck this if you want. Now, if it is on hold, you can click and hold it here. So it is basically drag and drop. Now here on the upper, you can see here grant, task list, and archives. On archives, you will see the cards that you've archived. Now on the browse boards, you can see here your other boards. You can create a new one if you want. Here is all of your boards, your shared drives, your start, archives, and templates. On your work, you can see here all of your work or all of the tasks that you need to do in all of your dashboards. As you can see, here is the list that I have from that dashboard earlier. Now on notifications, you can see here what you need to do or what is offered you. And that's basically it.